What you are about to see is a dash cam video of an illegal search and seizure, police brutality, and a violation of my civil rights, not only by the police but by the judge who had this video, showed it to me and the two attorneys that were with the state. And on the day of the trial, the district attorney asked Officer Hart of the Alpharetta, Georgia Police Department where the dash cam was. And he said, we had it, but we don't know where it is. The judge was sitting there with it in her, Susan Adeline is her name, she was sitting there with it in her possession. Now, as you can see, there's a police dash cam showing the traffic. Now we're in motion. Now, the dash cam in the front car that's behind the Mountaineer that I was driving has a dash cam and an audio of the incident, but they could not use it or show it because of the filthy lie they told after they separated my shoulder, because I asked them to please give me any test they wanted to so I could prove my sobriety, and I also told them that I wanted to exercise my right to pay for an independent test. Next thing I know, my shoulder was torn out of place. I was taken to Grady Hospital. I spent 8 hours chained to the Grady Hospital floor where I never saw anybody from any other police station except for Alpharetta. As you can see, there I am right there. There's no resistance. They can see how badly scarred up I am from knee replacements and other lower extremity injuries. None of them had on vests. There were no cones up there. And because of this dash cam video, the judge helped that bald-headed pimp Paul Howard ruin my life. After this happened, on August the 27th, 2006, September the 14th, 2006, I was hit by a van that ran a red light. Officer Garcia of the Roswell Police Department came to my rescue and had my kids south-flighted to Scottish Rite Hospital. I woke up getting the crap beat out of me by a police officer from Roswell named Jason Westcott. They told me wasn't nothing wrong with me. Jason Westcott and the nurse. They took my blood because they said if I didn't sign a document, not only could I read it, I couldn't even see it because I suffered a concussion. After this, they framed me for another DUI. I was never asked what happened. Jason Westcott didn't come to the hospital and ask me what happened, sir. Like he would a white man. He threatened to put me in jail for driving under the influence when I didn't even know what the hell he was talking about. Not only did he not take my statement, but he refused a week later to take my statement. The white man got a check a week after the accident, and they haven't been able to find that white dog nowhere, and Judge Craig Swall put my case off because I wouldn't take probation for 6 years. Who waits 6 years for a traffic violation when you're a professional tractor trailer driver with your own business and a single father raising 2 disabled children? Craig Swall, Leonard Dikoski. Oh, don't let me leave out Myra Dixon, black robe, black behind, because she let the police take my child out of the courtroom and threaten him after they harassed me April of 2009 as I left Red Lobster. When I got home, I got sick. I called 911. Not only did the ambulance not come, but the same white woman and white man from the Roswell police, Eden Johnson, a white woman, and James Spivey, a white man, the same 2 idiots that made me take a sobriety test walking home from a restaurant a block away. That's when they broke into my door. I'm butt naked now. They knocked my clothes, my towel off, and she's on her knees like she's a $2 crystal meth head slut, and the white boy on me like he Liberace in front of a child that's a minor. And then they took me outside butt naked. Now, this is what I want everybody that's looking at this video, and see this, I'm clearing my name, Willie J. Mitchell, a.k.a. Pablo Crenshaw. That's right, the ex-professional wrestler. The date is 4/9/09, and the incident date was 4/05/09. And the case number is 1-09-023179. Make sure you get a copy of it. Get out. Make sure you get a copy of it. Again, the white woman took me to jail butt naked. Erwin Johnson of the Roswell Police Department took my black behind out in front of little black children and Mexican children, butt naked, and said, even though my child gave her a pair of blue shorts to put on me so his friends wouldn't see me butt naked, I have the inmate property form. And as you can see, property it says blue shorts, no underwear, nothing but a pair of blue shorts. Myra Dixon didn't want to listen to the 911 call. She didn't want to listen to any to my son. She called him a lie. When the thing clearly shows, yes, blue shorts. You see it? Shorts. Yes, blue. They did it on purpose. Exposed me butt naked in front of little children. What that make them? Huh? Child molesters. And the local news don't want to open this door. They don't want to expose these maggots. But guess what? It ain't up to them no more because it's on the internet. And this is worldwide. And you got the case number. So again, that case number to see the white woman take my black ass to jail is 1-09-023179. After they did this to me, I went to Northside Hospital where I was treated at Peachford, and then I got arrested for going there for making a terrorist threat. And Judge Swall could not bring a case against me because he couldn't bring forth my accusers. Jason Westcott is a gutless liar, and I can prove it. And Susan Edline, Meyer Dixon, Craig Swall, y'all ain't fit to judge a chicken fight. Have a nice life.